In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google Sheets interface. By the end, you'll feel comfortable finding your way around a new spreadsheet, knowing where to enter data, how to access tools and menus, and where to manage sharing and your account. Let's start on a blank, untitled spreadsheet in Google Sheets. When a new sheet opens, you'll see a clean grid and an empty title at the top. This is your workspace. If you're just exploring, that's perfectly fine. An untitled file works for practice. Keep an eye on the top of the page as well. That's where important controls live. You'll notice autosave indicators letting you know changes are being stored in the cloud, which means you don't have to manually save every few minutes. Move your attention to the main sheet area, the large grid of rows and columns. Each rectangle is a cell. Click once to select a cell, then type to add data. Press enter to move down or tab to move right. Double-click to edit existing content and drag across cells to select a range. If you make a mistake, you can undo it later. Try simple entries like numbers, dates, or labels. You can also drag the small square at the bottom right of a selected cell, the fill handle, to copy patterns or repeat values quickly. Right above the grid is the tool menu bar with quick access icons. Here, you can change font styles, sizes, and colors, adjust alignment, format numbers as currency or percentages, and add borders or fill color. You'll also find shortcuts to insert charts, filter your data, and apply quick functions. The function button helps you insert common formulas like sum and average without typing them from scratch. Hover your mouse over any icon to see a tooltip with its name and often a helpful keyboard shortcut. At the very top is the main menu bar, File, Edit, View, Insert, and more. These drop-down menus organize deeper features. Use File for options like creating copies or downloading. Edit includes undo, redo, and find replace. View lets you control grid lines and freeze rows or columns. Insert is where you add rows, columns, charts, images, and notes. Explore these menus to discover settings that shape how your sheet looks and behaves. Finally, look to the upper right corner. The Share button lets you invite others and set permissions, from view only to full edit access. Next to it, your profile lets you switch accounts and manage your Google settings. That's the essential tour. Practice clicking around and you'll become fluent with the interface quickly.